What's happening, people? I'm up here today in Blue Mountains and Glenbrook section. It's about 16 degrees outside. The sun's out. It's a great wee day for a walk. So I've just parked up. Gonna get out, go and have a look around. Yep. Isn't that lovely? In the summer, this place would be packed with people in there swimming. There you go. Magic mushroom or something if you want. Look after the place here. Practically empty. Good place to come if you want to get your head peace and quiet. Or recover from a hangover perhaps. The gates get locked at 6. Remember that. In the summer, this place is packed out, like people in swimming, jumping off the edges, no. Bit too cold today though. Clear that water is, can you see it? Right, that's me done. On my way out. If you like doing hill runs, fucking hikes up hills, check this out. Steeper than that looks.